Are they going to get wet?
It is coming down right now in some parts. You know, this rainfall event over the past couple of days, really impressive. Yesterday, we saw our heaviest rainfall totals that we've seen here in the city in the entire year of 2013. Here's how we checked out yesterday. Over 3 inches at Camp Mabry, over 3 inches as well out at the airport. That pushes our monthly total to 4.80 inches at Camp Mabry. And remember, May is traditionally our wettest month, but even this May now turning out to be wet on that table, over 1.5 inches above where we should be. And that rainfall yesterday also erased our deficit for the year of 2013. We're now just a hair above where we should be. So that was yesterday. Here's the view out there today. Some more storms rolling into the hill country right now, and even parts of the western metro area on Storm Profiler radar. We're tracking those this morning for you. You can see a nice shield of light to moderate rain from Georgetown down through Metro Austin over to Dripping Springs. But then we get into some of the heavier stuff over towards Blanco, Johnson City, Marble Falls, heading up towards Lake Travis. Some very heavy rains falling from these storms, and they're moving very slowly off towards the northeast. We're expecting these to continue today, so certainly a threat of flash flooding out there today. More showers and thunderstorms out there on our weather headlines. Heavy rain possible, but don't give up hope yet on the entire Memorial Day weekend. We will see that sunshine return. Probably not much today, but a little later in the Memorial Day weekend. Temperatures out there are rain cooled and pretty muggy out there. 72 here in town. A little bit warmer over where they're dry in LaGrange, but cooler over in the hill country where we've had some heavier rain. 71 in Blanco and upper 60s for most other folks out in Fredericksburg and Mason. A broader look shows this continued upper level disturbance moving over our area. Yesterday we had a big nice flare up. That little piece of energy has moved off towards our east, but another little low pressure system now just to our west, and it's tracking very slowly over us. So a similar situation to what we saw yesterday setting up for today. Here's what you can expect for our Saturday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing, and some of that rainfall could be heavy out there at times. About a 60% likelihood of on and off scattered showers and storms throughout the day, probably tapering off a little bit towards evening though. We're expecting more rain during the early half of the day as opposed to towards sunset, but 85 degrees, a little bit cooler than we should be thanks to that cloud cover. Southeast breezes at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, that rainfall should be deteriorating. It'll kind of lose its energy source from that daytime heating after sunset. Maybe a lingering shower or two. Low clouds build in back overnight, and temperatures a little bit cooler, 69 degrees for a low temperature. So rainfall pretty likely today. Tomorrow, though, a much better day. Only an isolated afternoon shower or storm, about a 20% chance. And then Memorial Day itself looking pretty nice. We'll start off cloudy in the morning, as we have been, but we're expecting plenty of sunshine by Memorial Day afternoon. And then another rain chance coming in midweek Wednesday into Thursday.